Hey, it's your girl, Jackie Evich, and I'm bringing you this update. Fastest way to earn free money with simple banking. Yes, yes. Can you see it? Can you see it? Can you see it? Can you see it? Wow, simple. Okay, now the first thing that I did, we're going to do, is I looked up the definition of simple. Easy to understand, easy to deal with, easy to use. Okay? So now there's nothing hard about this. There's absolutely nothing hard about this. This is the fastest way to earn free money with simple banking. Oh my goodness. I am up already $140 with this amazing, simple program. Okay? So here we are. Let's see. Make sure that you can see here. I'm going to move this over here like this. And as you can see right here, this is my account. You see my name and my picture right there. And so here we go. So what you're going to do is you're going to first what you're going to do is you're going to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss any of my amazing offers. Then you're going to hit the link and you're going to sign up for this simple debit card. I already told you it's simple, it's easy to use. Easy. The quickest way to get free money. Okay? So, after you've done that, what you're going to do is you're going to, as I said, you're going to, the first step, sign up for the card. Then you're going to grab your link and you're going to share your link on social media. You're going to share your link in your emails. You're going to share your link with your friends. You're going to share your link with your enemies. You're going to share. Because everybody, because when you join me, you're going to get $20. And then for every person that you refer, you're going to get $20. So right now I am up already $140. So what you want to do when your card comes is you activate it, and then you can contact me on social media, on Facebook. Let me know that you got your card. Inbox me, send me a friend request. Let me know, inbox me, tell me that you got your card. That your card has arrived, and we will take it from there, and I will show you exactly how to get your free money. All you have to do is activate your card, use your card, and you get your free $20 bills loaded onto your account instantly, guys, instantly. So let's look here. As you can see here, it says thank you from Simple, deposited into Safe to Spend. So that means, wow, this is good money. $20. Let's see if I can make it move up. 20 plus 20 is 40, plus another 20 is 60, plus another 20 is 80, plus another 20 is 100, plus another 20 is 120, plus another 20, $140. Whoop. Fastest way to get free money, guys. That's it. That's it. It's just that simple. It's just that easy. It's just that easy. It is simple. It's a simple banking debit card. And they have a $20 sign-in bonus and a $20 referral. It's that simple. Okay? Be sure you subscribe to my channel. Be sure you click the link, get your simple card, share your link with your friends, family members, enemies, and let's get this free money for you guys. Okay? And I will see you